Welcome to Chem Help ASAP. In this video we're going to emphasize the importance of the valence electron specifically in terms of explaining the reactivity of an atom. Now to demonstrate this, we're going to go in kind of a different direction. We're going to talk about a headquarters of a company, and this is going to be a retail company, and we're going to call it Walgett. And any big company, big realtor, has a distribution network. And these semicircles radiating out from the headquarters represent the distribution network. Now, this distribution network, it can operate on a national level, it can operate on a local level, but then at some point it ends at the stores for this company. What happens at the stores? Well, at the stores, you have customers, and the customers interface with our company, Walgett, at the stores. The customers bring their money, no matter what form it might be, and in return they receive their goods. As it turns out, this is not a completely different picture from what happens in an atom. In an atom, we have a nucleus, and I'm going to go to our very familiar dot. And now our nucleus is not a headquarters, but it has things like protons, it has neutrons, and radiating out from our nucleus are different shells. What do we put in our shells? Well, these are in a distribution network, but they do hold the electrons for our atom. The shells that are not the outermost shells, we call these are the non-valence shells. And then the outermost shell we refer to as the valence shell. What happens at the valence shell? Well, other atoms interact with our atom of interest, the one on the left that we've highlighted over here. Other atoms interact, and what do? They don't exchange money or goods, but they can exchange electrons. And this exchange occurs exclusively at the valence shell. So electrons come and go through the valence shell. Because the valence shell plays such an important role in the reactivity of an atom, we really need to understand everything that's going on in the valence shell. Things like, how many electrons do we have in the valence shell? What is the attractive force exerted by the nucleus upon the electrons in the valence shell? So these are items that we use to explain reactivity and topics that we'll have to explore further in later videos.